In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix MLB TV not working. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If videos keep buffering or won't load, switch to a different network or restart your router and try again. Next, first close the MLB TV app, launch it, close it, and again relaunch it. Next up, check for app update. For that, navigate to App Store or Play Store, then search for the app MLB TV. Once app appears, click on it. Now, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, if you're unable to sign in, verify that you are using the correct MLB account associated with your MLB.tv subscription. Try signing out of the app. Sign in back in to refresh your session. If videos still won't play, clear the app cache. Launch settings, go to General. Go to iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find MLB TV and launch it. Click on Offload app, confirm it. Then click on Reinstall. Lastly, you can go ahead and check the server status of MLB.tv. For that, launch your preferred browser. Type in MLB TV servers. Head over to the website Down Detector. Now, if you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.